I don't want to be good. So what I want to be? Everyone I see around me is good. So I want to be great and I want to see my students great. Assalamu alaikum. It's Nahid Akhtar Parveen, Assistant Teacher, Jagadishpur Government Primary School, Taraganj, Rangpur. I am here for my students of class 5 with their English for Today class 5. Hurry up, be ready with your English book, pen, notebook and join with me. I would like to show you a picture. What can you see in this picture? What are they doing? Please think alone and try to give answer. What are they doing? What can you see in this picture? I can help you. Here is someone sitting and maybe someone is singing. Another are dog and maybe birds. So they are hearing his voice. Okay, so we can see a video and we also enjoy with them, isn't it? Okay, let's go and watch the video, enjoy with them. Everyone claps with them.
It's an entertaining party in the tall grass by the lake. All the frogs have come together, drinking juice and eating cake. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum. Mr. Toad is good at drumming, and his wife plays the trombone. There's a lovely little tadpole who prefers to dance alone. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum. From the darkness of the rush bed comes a limering giggle pound. All the froggies at the party scatter, hopping all around. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum. La la, dee-dee-dee-dum, ribbit, ribbit, dee-dee-dee-dum.
Wow, nice song. We all enjoyed it, isn't it? Okay, and who enjoyed with us? Fox, rabbit, lizard, rat, bird and frog also, and our main hero is Blaster. We all enjoyed Blaster voice, isn't it? Okay, so did you notice the sound on the video when we heard the song? Then we noticed some sound. Yes, what was the sound? What was the sound? Can anyone guess? Yes, the sound is crack crack. The sound is crack crack. And which animals makes the sound? Can anyone say? I know you can say the animal is frog. So frog do the sound crack crack. Our today's lesson is why does the frog crack? Our today's lesson is why does the frog crack? My cute students, you know, every day we learn some new words. Our today's words is sound, voice, joy and sir. Please write down on your notebook these 4 words. Okay, so everyone repeat after me. Sound, শব্দ বা ধ্বনি, voice, কণ্ঠস্বর, enjoy, উপভোগ করা, answer, উত্তর. Again, sound, শব্দ বা ধ্বনি, ভয়েস কণ্ঠস্বর, এনজয় উপভোগ করা, অ্যান্সার উত্তর। ওকে, নাও please open your book, page number 98. Today we will learn our lesson 1 unit 25, and our today's lesson is, why does the frog quack? So when I read the lesson, please listen to me very carefully and keep your finger under the line. Why does the frog quack? Listen and read. What sound does the frog make? Quack, quack. It's not a beautiful sound, but a long time ago, frogs had beautiful voices. They could sing more beautiful than the birds. This all changed because of one frog named Blaster. Blaster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all the other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him. Please teach us how to sing, the animals asked. But Blaster always answered in the same way. No, no, my voice is mine. I cannot share it, he said. My cute students, please look at this screen and again I read the lesson. You must be listen to me very carefully. What sound does a frog make? Quack, quack. It's not a beautiful sound, but a long time ago, frogs had beautiful voices. They could sing more beautifully than the birds. This all changed because of one frog named Blaster. Blaster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all the other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him. Please teach us how to sing, the animal asked. But Blaster always answered in the same way, no, no, my voice is mine. I cannot share it, he said. Okay, so we can enjoy a video. Everyone listen very carefully.
Listen and read. What sound does a frog make?
Quack, quack.
It isn't a beautiful sound. But a long time ago, frogs had beautiful voices. They could sing more beautifully than the birds. This all changed because of one frog named Gloucester. Gloucester had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all the other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him. Please teach us how to sing, the animals asked. But Gloucester always answered in the same way. No, no, my voice is mine. I cannot share it, he said.
Okay, so we'll learn more about the frog Blaster. Okay, now every day we try to pronounce the word, and today I also try to pronounce how to pronounce Blaster. Okay, so how to pronounce? Everyone repeat after me. B-L-U-S, blast. T-E-R, tar, blaster. B-L-U-S-T-E-R, blaster. Next word is beautiful. B-E-A-U, beau, T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. So today we pronounce two words. First is blaster, B-L-U-S-T-E-R, blaster. Then beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So everyone repeat after me. Everyone repeat after me. BLUS, blast. TER, blaster, blaster. BEAU, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. So we learn today blaster and beautiful. How pronounce these two words? You can see the screen. What can you see in this screen? Here is some blanks. Can you see? Here is some blanks and we try to fill the blanks. Okay, we try to fill the blanks. So first word is, what sound does a frog? What? Frog had what? Voice. And last one is, they enjoyed what to him. So please write down on your notebook the 3 sentences. Okay, and try to fill the blanks. I can help you. Okay, what sound does a frog make? What sound does a frog make? Then next is, frog had beautiful voice. Frog had beautiful voice. Last one is, they enjoyed listening to him. They enjoyed listening to him. So what sound does a frog make? Frog had beautiful voice. They enjoyed listening to him. Okay, everyone, do good and excellent. Now we try to make sentences. Okay, every day we try to make sentences. Today also we will try to make sentences. Okay, our first word is sing. Our first word is sing, and everyone try to make sentence. Okay, by sing. So I will help you, but you must need to try yourself. Okay, I will help you. Sing, I can say, I can sing song. Okay, sing, I can sing song. Next word is share. Next word is share. So I try to make sentence share. I can share the apple with you. Share, share. I can share the apple with you. Last word is birds. Last word is birds. You know, we all trying to make sentences. So everyone, please try to make your own. Okay, I will help you. Birds. Birds like to fly. Birds like to fly. So sing, I can sing song. Share, I can share the apple with you. Birds, birds like to fly. Everybody write down on your notebook the 3 sentences. Now we all try to give answer. Okay, here all time we learn about the frog blaster and his activity. So what sound does a frog make? Can anyone say, what sound does a frog make? What sound? Okay, I know everyone can say. And next question is, when did the frogs have more beautiful voice than birds? When did the frogs have more beautiful voice than birds? Try when did. Next question is, which frog had the most beautiful voice? Which frog? Which frog had the most beautiful voice? Okay, I will try to help you. First, what sound does a frog make? Quack, quack. Isn't it? Yes. Then, when did the frogs have more beautiful voice than birds? When did? A long time ago. A long time ago, frogs have more beautiful voice than birds. Last one is which frog? Which frog? Blaster. Isn't it? Blaster had the most beautiful voice. So, today we learn what sound does a frog make? Quack, quack. When did the frogs have more beautiful voice than birds? A long time ago, frogs have more beautiful voice than birds. And which frog had the most beautiful voice? Blaster had the most beautiful voice. My cute students, you know, every day we learn one day one word. Isn't it? Yes. So, our today's word is always. Can you see in this screen? Always. So, what's the meaning of always? সব সময়. Always means সব সময়. So, we try to make sentences. Lina always try to speak truth. Lina always try to speak truth. Always সব সময়. Lina always try to speak truth. Okay, write down on your notebook. Always সব সময়. Okay, so sorry. Always সব সময়. Lina always try to speak truth. And be ready to write down your homework. Be ready to write down your homework. So, our today's homework is, why did Blaster refuse to share his voice? Why did Blaster refuse to share his voice? Write only 2 sentences. Think, why did Blaster refuse to share his voice? And write only 2 sentences. Write only 2 sentences. And thank you, my talented student, be with me. And thanks all. Think positive, be positive. Think positive and be positive. See you next class. But all time stay at home, stay safe. Tata, bye bye. See you next class.